Okay. Uthemba Mthimkhulu lo BET coordinator yase Ward 57. Angiqale la ngichaze ngokuthi yini BET coordinator. La kwa ANC BET coordinator sibiza nge branch election team coordinator. Yabona? Umsebenzi wami ukucoordinator i-branch ngumsebenzi wama election. Ngaphansi kwami kuba nama VD coordinators. Ama VD coordinators yiwo ke adila ngama VDs, ama volunteer kuma VDs. Umsebenzi wami nje in short ukuthi ngithi overlook over ama election election work, I can put it that way. Umsebenzi wami loyo. Two, umsebenzi wami ukuthi ngenze sure ukuthi ama VD coordinators ayasebenza. I understand what is we are all about as VD coordinators and as BET coordinators. Umsebenzi wami loyo ufuna ngiyenze. Enye into kufuna umsebenzi wami uconscientize ama VD coordinators nama volunteer wabo ukuthi aba identify ama service delivery challenges, e.g. ama aphola ngasebenzi yonke lento like ama potholes and stuff, ukuthi nje kungathi ku ebranchini kube ne what you call kube ne sewer blockage ezohlala a day or two inga reportwanga and still iflow into installwa einhloko zabo naso lwazini lwabe sibafundisana ukuthi izinto ezingama service delivery challenges, so ke funa bazireporte endaweni right. Still sa reporta ku ukhansela uDino sa reporta ku, kodwa si kahle nathi ama khansela aseduzane asiza sometime uma sinama challenges sivele sireportele wona awaka ANC sibafundise lokho ke amaqabane ukuthi awa report ama challenges. So ke nje ngokufishana ukuthi as Ward 57 singena khansela sinje sifuna ukuthi iward ibuye man, iPA sithathele iward ifuneka ibuye, kodwa ke ayizukubuya nje uma ngaba abantu behlele emakhaya bangavote. Okwethu ukuthi siyokhuluma nabantu babuye bazovotela ANC. So ngokufishane nje lokho ukuthi as BET coordinator umsebenzi wami yiwo ke lo engixoxa ngawo la ukuthi ngenza sure ukuthi umsebenzi wama election uyabonakala uyenziwe endaweni yokuhlala, kungathi kufika isikhathi sama election kube kungekho into eyenzekalayo. Yiko lokho nje ngiyabonga.